Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the new Personna Gem Platinum Diamond Glide double-edged blades. Well, they've been out for a few months now and they are taking the wet shaving world by storm. Truth is, I actually just got finished with another video of shaving with these blades and I took an entire beard off and even my goatee and left just this cool stylish mustache and it performed like a champ. I am beyond impressed. It is probably my top 2 or 3 blades now. I'm like dead serious. I can see why they've been so popular. We got these in a few months ago and they have been flying off the shelf, so much so that even for today's video, all I could bring was this one little box and there's just a few inside. It's not even full because we're waiting on thousands of more to come and it's just like every time we get them in, they're gone. So it is by Personna. If you guys didn't know, it is the only American-made blade company. The company is called Accutech. They're in Virginia and they've been making Personna private label blades or using that name Personna for many years now. Recently, probably 2 years ago, they stopped only doing Personna and they also made their own new brand called AccuForge, AccuThrive blades by Accutech. And those took some of the traditional Personna like med prep blade positions, or comfort coated, and they kind of internalized them. But then this is a new offering. And this offering reminds me a lot of the med prep, I think. But they're saying it has a high stainless steel Japanese steel. They're actually using this word gem again, which for me, it was at first like kind of a non sequitur, like it just didn't follow. Because when I think of gem, I think of single edge blades. And I think most of you guys out there who are experienced in this would as well. And they even have this really cool little since 1875. And if you know your razor history, you know that's Campy Brothers with the patent of the 1875 hoe handle razor. They called it the hoe handle because you're in your garden hoeing like this, and the idea of using a razor like this was completely different because most people were opening up a straight edge and using it like this, and so that idea was very foreign. But that was the very first Campy, and they called it the gem razor. So that word gem's been around forever to always signify single edge blades. But this idea of a gem double edge blade, I'm not sure why they came up with that, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a brand. And this Platinum Diamond Glide, that's what they're saying is the big difference in here, and I actually wouldn't be surprised. I always tell people, guys, like the coatings are what make these, and that it can make all the difference. So this Platinum Diamond Glide, whatever that means, it's true, I'm a believer. It reminded me the closest of a Personna 74, I can honestly say that, which is like a legendary blade. It's smoother than a feather to me. The feather, at least for the first shave or two, can be a little harsh at first. Some people love them, but it just mowed down the hair. My skin looks flawless. It didn't even leave any nicks, didn't leave any irritation, any redness. So I'm like really, really impressed. I know why they've been flying off the shelves now. And so please, if you haven't already done so, check out these Platinum Diamond Glides, Personna Gem double-edged blades. They are awesome. We're going to be including them in some of our sample packs because I'm so impressed with them. That's all I have. I just wanted you guys to hear it from me that it's a great blade to try out. Add it to your shopping cart, check out, make a purchase from Razor Emporium. Share this video with someone who needs to see it, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.